Say hi, camera. Don't be a sad girl. Be happy. Oh, you're silly. You got dried milk on your face. You need to go wipe that off. Yes, sicko. Brianna. Hey, baby, why don't you pick up that Q-tip for me? Do you see it? That Q-tip right there by Brianna? Pick that up and put it in the trash. We don't want her to put that in her mouth. That would be icky. That would be bleh. Hey, don't do that around her. You're going to step on her hand.
No, I don't want to.
Hi, baby. What you doing, you gorgeous? Oh, look at that sweet face. Are you a cute little sunbonnet, baby? Oh, look at that sweet girl. Oh, you're beautiful. Brianna. Brianna, you didn't like hats? What's the matter? Do you want some toys to play with?
Now she likes to hat on her head.
She likes having the hat on her head?
Yes. She looks beautiful.
What are you doing, crazy hair girl? Oh my goodness, you look like a wild cave woman.
Mama.
Oh, oh yeah.
Now can you put the tattoos in her hair?
Yeah, a few more minutes. What are you doing? What is that? A foot? You think I want to see your foot? I don't. That's disgusting. Don't do that. What are you doing?
Goes in my eyes.
Squish your nose. Squish your nose. Okay, we still need to be quiet because baby's still sleeping.
Smacking her, Aubrey.
Okay, you ready for your tattoo? Where do you want it?
Right here.
You want it on your hand? Oops.
What?
I dropped the dropped the camera.
You
This
almost
is the tattoo that Kaylee's gonna get. It's a mermaid, a glittery mermaid.
With the sword on the back.
Like this? Or straight like this?
Straight like this. Your tattoos?
Okay. Push that down. Hold it. Hold it hard, hard, hard. We'll see what it looks like in a minute. Okay, you gotta pick out yours. Which one do you want?
It's just so hard to pick. Just pick. Can't know. I'll tell you. And which one
Do you know which tattoo you want?
That one. This one? Yes.
With the butterfly?
Yes.
Okay, that's
Which
a
one? Kind
beautiful butterfly.
What kind does Kaylee have?
Okay, Kaylee.
Oh.
Let's see your tattoo. It doesn't show up on camera very well.
How come?
Kaylee's got the mermaid. Oop. Evelyn's got a beautiful butterfly on her arm. Aubrey, come here. And Aubrey has another beautiful butterfly on her arm.
Way too big.
And of course, Mama had to get one too, so I got one here.
It's peppers.
Flaming cherries. Super cool.
Mom, next time could I have...
Oh, are you being cute? Are you being a cute baby? That's so sweet. Oh, you made her mad. You disrupted her beautiful arena bubble.
What is arena?
Did she pop your bubble? She in your bubble space?
Yes.
Oh no.
How did you know we're going to have a bubble space? Brianna said it on my lap. She's not on. No.
Oh, look at
Now I
the
got your
cutie.
notification.
Really? Did you restart your phone?
Plugged it in.
How dead was it?
I don't know. Yellow light was on.
Hey, gorgeous. What are you doing?
Let's see. Didn't need anything at the Dollar Tree. I didn't get till 4:34. I got my tag at 2:27. It says
Boo. Did you get those pictures?
the dollar store. Yeah.
Oh.
And
Baby is very cute.
two baby pictures.
No.
Really smacked me. No, I
Did you pee?
Yes.
Hey, am I asking you?
Me.
Did you pee in your pants?
No.
Why are they saying you peed in your pants?
Turn around.
Are your pants
Show
wet?
Mama. Yes.
Turn around, let me see. Turn around so I can see. Bend over.
Bed. More. It's wet outside.
I don't
Feel
see
it.
anything.
It's wet. It's wet. I feel it. Like this. I feel it.
Okay, go talk to Brianna.
I feel it on bottom.
All right, take off your pants so I can see.
What? Don't shove that in my face. Here. Hey, give me one. Mama, can you buy this book?
Mm-mm.
Why? Will do. I can't hear it very good. It says the.
What are you doing with my Bible?
This is the Bible.
No, that's a book. Okay, you guys need to put those books up and go finish cleaning up the house. Y'all made a huge mess. Oh yeah, get your baby size in. Shake it, girl, shake it, shake it.
My ear pipes.
Your ear pipes.
My ear.
Oh, okay. Oh, what a happy baby. That is fantastic. I love a happy baby. Come on. It's not that dirty. Just a couple things that need to be picked up.
Like what?
And the table needs to be wiped off. Oh, you alright?
Yes. Why don't they ever have elbow pads?
They do have elbow pads. We just haven't gotten y'all any yet.
Can you? I can do tissue. I need a tissue.
Kitty, 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 kitty. You're silly. Kitty, 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 kitty. Oh, you're so silly. Oh, she's so sad. I'm trying to make her laugh. Oh, you're so kitty, kitty. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, you're so silly. Oh, kitty, kitty. She laughs and then she'll cry. And then she'll laugh and then she'll cry. She doesn't know what she wants to do. Oh. Oh, goody, 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 goody. Are you hungry? You want your bottle now? Hmm?